NCL has commissioned a new 850 horsepower dozer equipped with a ripper attachment at its Dudhi Chua project, strengthening the company's mining capabilities and operational preparedness. The heavy-duty machine was officially deployed on June 5, 2026 and is expected to play an important role in enhancing mine productivity, improving operational efficiency and supporting coal production targets at one of NCL's key mining projects. The Ministry of Railways has approved the deputation of Gunjan Kumar Dhananjay Vasnik, an Indian Railway Service of Mechanical Engineers Officer, to Braithwaite and Company Limited as General Manager at Raipur. According to an order issued by the Railway Board on June 8, 2026, Vasnik has been selected for the position on the usual terms of deputation for a period of 5 years or until further orders, whichever is earlier. NTPC Limited has invited bids for the engineering, procurement and construction package of the proposed Great Nicobar Island Gas Engine Power Project, a 108 megawatt power generation facility designed to support the island's growing energy requirements. The project will be developed on a single point responsibility EPC basis, covering design, engineering, supply, erection, testing and commissioning of the complete power plant and associated infrastructure. RailTel secured a railway signalling contract worth approximately 82.04 crore rupees from Haryana Rail Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, according to an exchange filing. The company received a letter of acceptance for the design, supply, installation, testing and commissioning of signalling and telecommunication systems and associated works for the Dhulawat to Manesar to New Patli rail section, including Chandla Dungerwas and Pachgaon halt stations. NBCC India Limited has secured new projects with a combined value of 83.24 crore rupees, further strengthening its infrastructure and project management portfolio across multiple sectors. The newly awarded projects span residential, government and veterinary infrastructure segments across Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited has announced a change in its registrar and share transfer agent following the execution of a tripartite agreement in compliance with SEBI regulations. HUDCO stated that this change is part of its ongoing compliance and administrative transition process related to shareholder servicing and record management. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited announced that it has received a letter of acceptance from the South East Central Railway for a large-scale railway infrastructure development project valued at approximately 221.33 crore rupees. The awarded engineering, procurement and construction contract involves comprehensive modernization works across multiple stations in the Bilaspur division of South East Central Railway. India's clean industry project pipeline has expanded by 30% over the past 6 months, reaching an estimated investment opportunity of $433 billion and positioning the country as the world's third largest clean industrial market by project count, according to Mission Possible Partnership's latest global project tracker. In a significant step towards promoting renewable energy and sustainable infrastructure, Odisha Governor Dr. Hari Babu Kambampati inaugurated a 485 kilowatt peak rooftop solar power plant at Lok Bhavan, Bhubaneswar. The project has been successfully executed by NBCC India Limited, a leading public sector enterprise in project management and construction. Amid global supply chain disruptions and challenges in international energy markets, Indian Oil significantly enhanced domestic LPG production to strengthen India's energy resilience and ensure uninterrupted fuel availability across the country. During a period marked by constrained import routes and volatile global energy supplies, domestic LPG production was increased by more than 60%, rising from approximately 32,000 metric tons to 52 metric tons.